May I
With your
please, my lord,
lordship's permission, with your lordship's permission, I
Lordship,
beg to mention. With your lordship's
Lordship,
permission,
I beg to mention item number
The
1.
lady, let's see her first. No? Yes.
please, your lordships, I am obliged. I beg to mention writ petition 196 of 2025, your lordships. This is Venkateshwara Open University versus UGC. Your lordships,
Item number?
your lordships, the matter
Item
is not
number?
listed today. We are mentioning for urgent listing of this case, your lordships. The matter was listed before the bench on the last occasion in July 2025, your lordships. In this, we have
The
challenged.
next available bench. Fine, next available bench.
Please, your lordships, there is an urgency because the session has to begin, your lordships.
So next week in the next available bench.
I am deeply obliged, your lordships. I am grateful.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 1, my lord. My lord, this matter is to fix for admission hearing, so I need some more time, my lord.
Consent is taken from the.
Yes, I have taken consent.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes.
Has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, list. When do you want?
After 2 weeks, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
My lord. Deeply obliged.
Like this, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. We pray for the fresh step because upon the petition number, defendant number 6, the steps has not been completed. Therefore, we pray for the 2 weeks of time, lordship.
So you're supposed to take fresh steps.
Yes,
which you have
lordship.
not taken.
Yes, lordship.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for time to take fresh steps upon the respondent number
6.
6. Praise allowed. List the matter after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, lordship. The matter may be fixed after a week, lordship.
Consent taken?
Yes, lordship.
Lordship, item number 8 is a POCSO case and jail appeal. I am for the respondent number 2. So, date may be given, Your Honor.
See, it is the appellant who should be pressing for the matter. He's in jail right now, isn't it? So, anyways, Ms. So-and-so, learned legal aid counsel, has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Ms. Jaya Joji,
Jaya Doji.
learned legal aid counsel for respondent number 2. In view of the above, list in the next week.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Obliged, lordship.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10. Your Lordship, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2 is unable to appear today.
You are for the appellant? Or
No,
respondent
respondent number 2. So matter may be,
Usually stand this side. Anyways, so the appellant is there?
No, I'm for state.
Okay.
I have taken consent.
Okay. Mention is made on behalf of Mr. Who's this thing? Counsel for the respondent number 2?
N. Dangan.
Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. N. Narin, learned counsel for respondent number 2 for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side.
Matter may be fixed on 4 November.
In view of the above, list, when do you want it? After 2 weeks?
No, ma'am, this November, coming November, 4th November.
It will be 2 weeks. On 4th,
Ji.
in view of the above, as prayed for, list on 4/11/2025. Stop. Then the presence of Mr. So-and-so, learned additional PP for the state respondents. Is
Yes.
noted. Yes.
Obligers.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 9, Lordship. Lordship, I'm not ready with the brief today, Lordship. Can it be next week, Lordship?
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned legal aid counsel for the appellant has prayed for adjournment of the matter by mentioning that he is not ready with the briefs today. In view of the above, as prayed for, list the matter in the next week.
Yes.
You want the
Obliged.
presence to be noted, the presence of Mr. So-and-so, learned, you're the additional PP?
Yes, my lord.
For the state respondents is noted.
My lord, let it be on 14th, my lord, a fixed date. November 14, my lord.
In view of the above, as prayed for, list on 14/11/2020.
Yes, madam. Deeply obliged.
Item number 2.
Please, Lordship. So in this matter, none of the respondent have filed their affidavit yet.
Lordship, are you going to file?
Yes, we need some more time.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate, Mr.
Correspondent number 2.
So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 2 and Ms. Ms. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 1 and 2. So all the respondents, you have prayed for time. Full stop. Then next part, the learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavits. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship.
What's the PIL about?
Lordship.
Lordship,
Regarding what?
regarding Lordship, road alignment, Lordship. Lordship, the government of India had sanctioned for construction of national highway,
Hmm.
which is supposed to go through the frontier villages, Lordship. But the respondent authorities, without conducting any survey, they prepare a road alignment that going beyond the villages, Lordship. That is, so
So you
therefore,
wanted to go through the villages?
yes, through the villages.
Is it the best? Because highways passing through the villages, lots of road accidents happen. It happens. Anyways, list after 4 weeks. Hmm?
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 3.
Your Honor, I'm appearing on behalf of Tabataung Standing Council for Education Department and the Council for the Appellant, Your Honor. Your Honor, item number 3, 4, 5, and 6, they all are connected matter, Your Honor. And the service report upon the respondent is awaited.
Okay, only one respondent, respondent number 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. T.
Titagum.
Tagum, learned standing counsel for the appellant is present. It is seen in the office note that service report upon respondent number 1 is still awaited. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Same order for 3, 4, 5, and 6, all of them.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 on behalf of K. Lawyer for the petitioner. Lordship, we may be
For
granted
adjournment,
2 weeks.
what is the stage? What is supposed to happen? Admission hearing
Yes,
or
Lordship.
counter affidavits to be filed?
Sir, Lordship, admission hearing.
Admission hearing?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Not objected?
2 weeks time, Lordship.
Miss so-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr.
K. Lawyer.
K. Lawyer, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for adjournment of the matter since the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal difficulty. You're for the respondent? No, something, okay.
Further, I beg to mention item number 8.
The learned counsel submits that the consent of the other side has also been taken. In view of the above, list the matter after 2 weeks. Then 8.
Yes, Lordship. Here we have to file affidavit in reply.
Okay.
So we may be
Miss
granted 2 weeks time.
So you are appearing on behalf of whom?
M. Kato, but my name is also reflected in
Oh, it's
causes.
there?
Yes.
Okay, Miss so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for further time to file their affidavit in reply. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
2 weeks. Lordship, 2 weeks.
Will be ready by then?
Yes.
List after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Honor, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Entaje. I beg to mention item number 17. The learned counsel of the petitioner is unable to attend the today matters because he is out of station.
Okay.
So
motion
you may
is made
adjourn.
On behalf of Mr.
Entaja.
Ntaje, learned counsel for the petitioner for adjournment of the matter since the learned counsel is not able to appear due to some personal difficulty. Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondent is present and has not objected to the adjournment. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
3 weeks.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 40. Lordship, I've taken the consent from the petitioner. May kindly take up this matter after 2 weeks.
Okay, Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side.
Lordship.
In view of the above, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. All right.
And I'd like to mention item number 5 on behalf of Standing Council Tabatagum. I've taken the consent of the other parties, Your Honor, and this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel for which department?
Education Department.
Education department has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. List after, in view of the above, list after
3 weeks, Your Honor.
3 weeks.
And Your Honor, item number 6,
Hmm.
11,
6,
No.
11,
19 to 33.
19, this comes along with 33.
Yes, Your Honor. I've taken the consent. Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. M. Mato, is it learned counsel for the, are you the petitioner in all of them?
Lordship, item number 20, I am the petitioner, Lordship.
Anyway, Mr. Learned counsel for, so in the ones where he is, your name is not here. In item number 6, we said 6, isn't it?
6 is, Your Honor, different, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Mato is for which items?
No, my lord, I'm not in this item.
Item number?
My lord, I'm going to mention another item. my lord.
Okay, so 6, we have already passed the order?
No, Your Honor, yet
Okay.
to pass, Your Honor.
Not yet?
Yes.
So, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. You're the petitioner or the respondent?
I'm for the respondent. Ragis.
A respondent has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above.
I'm for the petitioner, Lord.
6 and 11.
Item 6.
Okay, for the respondent has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
In item 6, Lord, so there is an interim order.
In view of the above, list after, when you wanted 2 weeks?
3 weeks, Your Honor.
3 weeks, list after 3 weeks. Meanwhile, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. This is 6, then
Item number 11, Your Honor.
11.
Yes, Your Honor.
11. Lordship, in item 11, the respondent authorities, they have issued a transfer order. And even after lapses of 1 year, the transfer order is still in force, but I have not been released. That is
You
my-
want to be released?
Yes, Lordship.
We'll fix up with short date. You're for the respondent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you filed any counter or anything?
No.
Yet no.
Yet
Why,
to file.
why?
No, we did not receive parallel reply from the department, Your Honor.
See, transfer order is there. He needs to be released.
Yes,
Your Honor.
Lord.
So it's not a difficult matter.
Yes, in that case, your senior may be.
You
Senior is not,
counter
yes,
positively.
short date may be given,
by
Lordship,
the
because,
court date.
yes, Lordship.
Uh,
The next week, fix that, Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel for education department. The learned standing counsel has prayed for further date to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, considering that this is a transfer matter, list the matter in
On-
the
on-
next week.
7th, Lordship.
On 7/11/2025, wherein the learned standing counsel is to file their counter affidavit, if any, positively. Yes.
Yep. And Your Honor,
Okay.
item number 19 to 33, Your Honor.
Now, you are for the,
I'm for the respondent, Your Honor.
you are for the,
Lordship, in item 20, I am for the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, so you're for the respondent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel. Are you Mr. T. Tabgum or
No,
you're
I'm
appearing on behalf?
On behalf of the
Okay,
Tagum.
Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, learned counsel for the learned standing counsel for the Education Department / respondent, has prayed for adjournment of the matter. Adjournment of these matters, okay, which is not objected by the counsels for the respondents.
Petitioners,
Then the presence of Mr.
JJ, Your Lordship, and
JJ.
item number 20.
Learned counsel for the petitioner NWPC number 458/2024 and Mr.
My lord, I am for the petitioner in item number 21.
So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC number 463/2024 is noted. Yeah.
Interim may be continued.
Meanwhile, the interim orders passed in these matters shall continue till the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged.
Malad, may I mention item number, Malad?
To so-and-so, then meanwhile, the interim order. Huh?
Malad, may I mention item number 9 for adjournment today, Malad, and the matter may be placed before the Malad, the court number 5. Malad, it will take a considerable time for consideration, Malad. So therefore, Malad,
Who is for the
government, Malad.
Okay.
Pleadings are also completed, Malad.
Okay, Mr. So
For tomorrow, Malad.
learned counsel for the petitioner is
Monday, yes.
present along with Mr. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. And the submission made by the learned counsels for both the parties next week. List the matter on Monday.
Malad, tomorrow, Malad.
Tomorrow, but this court is going to.
No, Malad, before the court number 5, Malad.
Okay,
Tomorrow, Lordship, won't be available, Lordship.
not available. So make it Monday if there's any urgency,
Monday.
isn't it?
Malad.
In view of the above, place the matter on Monday's date.
Malad.
Obliged.
My lord, item number 2, my lord. The senior counsel is out of station. Yes, my lord.
Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. M. Is it Perting?
Yes, my lord.
Learned senior counsel for the petitioner for adjournment of the matter since the learned counsel is said to be out of station. Miss so-and-so, learned government advocate, you're appearing in this matter?
Yes, Lordship.
For the state respondents is present and has not objected to the adjournment of the matter. In view of the above list,
Lordship, last occasion they said they will file rejoinder.
okay, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
For the petitioner, learned counsel for the petitioner to file the rejoinder affidavit, if any.
My lord.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, the present writ petition has been filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking appropriate direction to respondent number 2, who is a DDSC SEPA, Your Lordship, against the unlawful withholding my release order, Your Lordship.
Oh, okay, yes, yesterday. No, what, when this was listed previously before.
Yes. The before yesterday, it was listed.
You see, what was noticed in your writ petition was that you have not really made your point very clear. Okay. So you should have mentioned that in the transfer order, so and so, that is, I think respondent number 2 was supposed to make a release order, but he's not doing that or something. This thing was very vague. So just looking at it, I couldn't understand.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Why saying that the respondent number 2 is not releasing when everyone else is saying, who is respondent number 2? Respondent number 2 is so and so. And you should have mentioned that in the transfer order itself, it was mentioned that the respondent number 2 has to make the release order, which he is not doing or something. Nothing. This thing was very general. I couldn't understand.
Your Lordship, last occasion, this honorable court has directed me to amend some paragraph. And on yesterday, also I came and I made some amendment paragraph, but they refused to accept my amendment.
Because you have to
Because-
make it in an IA, na?
Your Lordship, there is no order was passed regarding that. As such, I have to.
So no order was passed. Even if no order was passed, you can always file an IA saying that I'd like to amend because some defects were found in your
Yes.
petition, isn't it? It's very general. So you have to make it a little bit more clear that, okay, transfer order is there. I think director said you should be released, you should join. There are a lot of orders, but there's one incumbent, okay, who as per the transfer order, he is the person who is to make the release order, but he is not making. All that you have not mentioned. But when I looked at the transfer order, why is this thing, respondent number 2 important? Then I found that in the transfer order, somewhere it was mentioned that respondent number 2 is the authority who has to make the release order. Then it becomes clear only. Oh, but we have to search. Why is this happening? Which you should be clear in your writ petition.
Yes.
Wait, where's that order?
Your Lordship, kindly see the page number 6, Your Lordship, paragraph 7, Your Lordship.
Sarah 7,
Yes, Your Lordship. Page 6, Your Lordship.
6.
Yes. That the petitioner has already submitted a representation to the concerned authority, including a self-representation on dated 15/10/2025, address to the DC is coming, Your Lordship, and representation dated 23rd/10/2025, address to the DDSC SEPA, requesting immediate release so as to enable her to join at her new place of posting. However, no positive action has been taken till date, Your Lordship.
So for releasing, but in all the other paragraphs,
Yes.
okay, you have shown how the director has released you, okay, and everyone, the orders said that you should join fast, isn't it? So why are they required to pass a releasing order when all the other officers have said that you are released, you should go? That little thing was a bit confusing, isn't it? But in your transfer, in the transfer order, here it mentions that it should be released. They are the ones who should. If you look at page 16, your transfer order,
Yes.
then serial number 4, it says that the DDSC should implement the transfer order. That part you have failed to this thing mention in your writ petitions. Anyways, we'll issue notice. But in your submissions, at least you make that submission, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
That as per the transfer order, it is the respondent number 2 who is to make the implement the transfer order by issuing a release, but which has not been done. That in very important sentence you have not added in your writ petition. But all the other higher authorities
Yes.
that you should go, you should be released. Why don't you just go? That's a question.
Yes.
Okay, but the transfer order specifically mentions that this person has to pass the release order, which he has not done. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, yes,
So
yeah.
it's a bit vague. Anyways, third Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to, it will be only respondent number 2. Isn't it? Others have all done their duty. They're coming
Yes,
to,
yes.
to respondent number 2 for releasing him to join his place of transfer by the order dated 02/06/2025, is it? Wherein the petitioner was transferred from GSS, Pakoti, East Kamen District to GHSS, Hija, Lower Subashiri District. Full stop. And then the Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that though the respondent number 1, who is respondent number 1?
Commissioner,
Though the respondent number 3, Director of Secondary School Education, Itanagar, had issued the transfer order. However, in terms of the transfer order, the respondent number 2 was required to issue the release order. However, respondent number 2 till date has failed to take the necessary steps, even though he was released. Even though he was released from, he was released by the headmaster, GSS Pakoti, by the release order dated 09/06/2025, and the Director of Secondary Education, Government of Arunachal, had also issued a WT message dated 27/07/2025, directing all the concerned DDSEs, principals and heads of school to ensure the immediate release and posting of all transferees in terms of the transfer order. Aggrieved by the non-action of respondent number 2, the instant writ petition has been filed. Issue notice, Mr. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, Learned Standing Counsel for School Education Department, requisite copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the Learned Counsel. List after 2 weeks.
1 weeks.
I make it,
2
okay.
weeks.
Instead of issuing notice, you get directions first instead of that,
Hmm.
okay? Mr. So-and-so, appearing on behalf of the standing counsel, Mr. So-and-so is to get instructions in the matter, list after 1 week,
Much of
instead of issuing notice. Simple matter, transfer is there, why is he not giving release order, isn't it?
deeply urgent.
Item number 4.
Please, Lordship. My lord, in this matter,
Yes.
it's not a kind of land acquisition as such, my lord. For construction of road from Itanagar to Bandadeva, the government decided to pay compensation to the affected person, my lord. So the notification was issued in 2016, my lord. 2016, and I was also one of the affected persons. Lordship, may kindly see the page 25, Annex 3, man, in the writ petition. Man.
See,
I'll not,
Annexure 5,
Annex 3, man.
3.
Yes. 28, page 28,
Hmm.
in the writ petition.
Yes, what happened?
Malad, ma'am, kindly see, this was, Malad, whereas public notice was issued by the Deputy Commissioner Itanagar Capital Complex by number such as dated 2/5/2016 regarding claim and objection against the list of structures and properties for which compensation shall be paid for widening of existing 2-lane road to 4-lane dual carriageway configuration of Itanagar Bandardeva section of NH 415. Therefore, committee is hereby now therefore a committee is hereby formed to physically verify the assessment report and dispose of received claims and objection on the basis of following principle. No compensation should be paid to the land or structure falling within the existing ROW. No land compensation will be assessed for the reserve forest government land. The land compensation will be assessed only for the village area which are not under reserve wildlife forest area. New properties constructed after the issue of prohibition order has to be assessed. The committee shall physically visit the location to verify existing records. The committee for disposal of claims and objections should disperse all the received claims and objections, and process should be completed before 2nd June 2016. These are the committee, 7 committee members. This was constituted. And Lordship, then may kindly come to page 34, man.
So you were found to be entitled?
Yes, man.
Oh.
Now,
Oh.
Lordship, may kindly
Public notice.
Yes, man.
Then
So,
what happened?
Now this letter, kindly see, man. It is for information of following persons whose plot will be affected due to the 4-lane construction of NH 415 under package C. My plot comes under package C. To be present at their plot for disbursement of the compensation on 5th July 2020, Monday. So my name, Lordship, will kindly see the down left to serial 295, Tamebai, left.
295.
Yes. So down below, they are requested to adhere to SOP of COVID-19 and also bring the following documents in support of the claim: 2 copies passport size photo, photocopy of Aadhaar, EPIC driving license, card, attested from the board, copy of bank passport. These were the things. Now, my lord, here what happened is, in my case, this I came later on, my lord. From the RTI record, it was found, my lord, but the compensation that committee, they assessed, the committee which assessed the compensation, they arrived at 5,95,000, man. And I was paid only 80,000. That is the case.
Oh, how can you say 5 lakhs? Where's the 5 lakhs?
Therefore,
You're saying you're supposed to get 5 lakhs, you're getting only 80,000.
Yes.
How can you say you're supposed
Yes,
to
ma'am.
get 5 lakhs?
I have from the RTA.
Okay, RTI. Where's the RTI?
My lord, kindly, it's the compensation starts from, my lord, assessment, my lord. Starts from page 40, my lord. This is the RTA information to Bengia Redak, my lord. Page 40.
Yes. So where's your name?
Yes, Lordship, I'm coming to that one. Huh? 50 May. Better.
So you have taken the 80,000 that you have taken?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
I'll just go on. Signature.
160. Page what? Where's your
Yes,
name?
madam, also, it's also so small, I can't possibly, I'm finding it difficult to see the letters.
160. 160 to 180. Anyway, so he's saying he's entitled to 5 lakhs.
Yes, madam,
What is it?
page 50,
So
madam.
what is the counter? How?
My
Okay, page 50,
50, madam, that's,
50.
yes, madam, down last one. This is,
Where's your name?
my,
Dam,
yes,
is it?
name of the owner, my lord, like I say.
Dam Bai.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Name of the owner. Tame Bai.
Yes,
So what is the amount?
yes.
So where's the 5 lakhs?
Madam, if we,
There's no 5 lakhs here.
yes, madam, if we, madam, these are the compensations from the tree, RCC wall, teak, and all that. The amount is, if we calculate all this together, madam, it's
Okay,
5
total.
lakh.
So if it's, so you have received only for tree. You have not received for RCC wall and
Yes,
teak.
yes.
No. Okay, this is 2,50,000 for teak. RCC wall is 2,65,000.
Yes.
And for tree. Okay, so.
Now government's, the affidavit says that you have already taken and given an undertaking that you will not file litigation. Therefore, you are not entitled to money. Now, this case, we have filed our rejoinder.
Undertaken.
Madam?
Is there a copy of the undertaking?
Yes, yes. That in the government's affidavit that is there.
Oh.
So, our contention is, my lord, Lordship has seen this, the assessment was made in 2016, man. And it was duly assessed by the committee formed. And after assessing this one, my lord, the government of Arunachal, what they did, they sent this assessment to more Minister of Road Transport, my lord. And the company, according to the compensation, the assessment of the government of Arunachal Pradesh, Ministry of Road Transport has disbursed the compensation to the state government according to their assessment. Now, after getting the compensation from central government, and according to their assessment, including mine, according to this assessment, the central government has provided the compensation. Now, after receiving the compensation, how they can deny the amount to me now, saying that the earlier assessment was not proper, or it was not done correctly. On that ground, how they can deny? My money assessment, which they sent to the central government has disbursed the amount. Now the state government, the more particular, the deputy commissioner can now hold my money. What he is doing with that amount, I don't know, but after holding that amount. So, in our rejoinder, we have clearly shown, man.
Is it rejoinder?
Yes, my kite is not big one, man. $68, man.
Affidavit in reply.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, this type copy is on page 69. It's more clear.
See, we are not on the same page. There's no page 69 here. Anyways, but there's one affidavit in reply here.
Yes.
It's page 10. Is there any other file?
No. My lord,
Is there any other file?
my lord, this in the affidavit is continues from earlier.
There are another two connected writ petitions pending.
Okay. But there's no connected with petitions.
One is double petition number 352 and one is
They have not been listed together? or
not
what?
listed today.
So maybe your affidavit in reply is concerned. There's no page 69 here.
67, my lord.
Here, the last page is page 61, which is a photograph of the Arocha. No, there's a 62 also, pray for payment of land compensation. So with the connected writ petitions, same issue?
Same issue.
Then I
Almost
think they
same
should be listed.
But,
Counsel for the petitioners and the other writ
I
petitioners.
think I'm
himself
appealing
is-
for all of them.
Then I think they should be listed together.
Here,
Left along with
there's a slight difference. Here, the compensation, there was undertaking, my lord.
Uh,
In the other cases, there was no such undertaking. Bit different.
Same compensation over the same stage.
And what's here, this thing, counter in the others?
Lawsuit. They also we have filed our reply law.
So what is your plea here? It is your plea is that they have taken an undertaking.
Here lawsuit, we have there was a complaint lawsuit that the payment is being paid to the beneficiaries without there being any lawsuit structure out there lawsuit. There's a loss of complaint lawsuit. Accordingly, board was constituted to re-verify lawsuit. On re-verification, it has been found that lawsuit some structure are not there lawsuit.
And what happens to the money which you receive?
Money lawsuit, that lawsuit, that part is not here lawsuit. It's not that lawsuit the concerned authority has personally used it lawsuit. If it remains with the government lawsuit, that will be definitely it will be back to the lawsuit, recurring authority lawsuit.
So they're not similar.
And that should not be the lawsuit.
But your pages, it's not here. Maybe it's in the other petition.
But I don't know.
So-
I will check it, madam. Continues. Otherwise, the pages.
Listed tomorrow. Okay, listed tomorrow.
Yes, madam.
See, no, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I will not be sitting for a long time. We'll list on Monday. So because here it is only up to page 62. So affidavit and reply is there. So the pagination, you make sure it's done correctly. Okay, and then we will.
I'll check it.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. On hearing the learned counsel for the petitioner, it appears that there is some mistake in the pagination of the documents. In view of the above, learned counsel for the petitioner to check the pagination
Yes.
and thereafter list the matter again on Monday's date.
Madam, it may be listed on the sixth.
Okay. List the matter again on 6th,
Sixth, yes.
11, 2025.
Along with lawsuits 353 and 357 of 2020.
But they don't appear to be similar from what he's saying.
Yes.
Same compensation, but grounds
Yes.
for not paying the compensation appears to be
Lost.
different. No?
Yes. Obliged.
Item number 7.
May I please, my lord? My lord, here in the writ petition, some new factors arrived. during pendency of this writ petition, there is basically, my lord, this writ petition is challenging for suspension order, which I was suspended since last 14 years, 15 years. So after filing this writ petition, even government has filed affidavit. And thereafter, what happened, the respondent has terminated me from the service. So in that circumstances, my lord, I may allow to withdraw this writ petition.
Okay,
Without this writ petition, I may allow to file a fresh, my lord,
okay,
by arriving of new fact, my lord.
okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submitted that during the pendency of the instant writ petition, certain new developments have taken place.
Yes.
For which he may be allowed to withdraw the instant writ petition with a permission to file afresh by incorporating the new developments in the
Yes.
instant case.
Yes, my lord.
Then considering the nature of the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to withdraw the instant writ petition with a permission to file afresh. It's
Deeply obliged, madam.
then the presence of Mr. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents as noted. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Then list after, when you wanted,
My lord, after within a week, we'll file, my lord.
okay, list
Within a week.
after 1 week.
This has to be.
No, withdraw. Oh,
Yes.
yes, no.
Already withdrawn, my lord.
Okay, withdrawn with the point. Okay, the presence
Dismiss
of.
on
Yes.
Yes.
Dispose of on withdrawal, my lord. Dispose of
wait,
on withdrawal.
Dismiss of.
No,
No.
the instant writ petition is therefore disposed of on withdrawal.
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.
Item number 10.
Withdrawal with a permission to file afresh. Huh? Yes.
May I please, my lord.
Yes, I'm Mel. I'm praying some more time, my lord, to file opinion opposition, my lord. I'm yet to receive instruction in this case, my lord.
Since depending of this matter, my suspension order may be stayed, my lord. Because I'm facing lots of problem. My cancellation order,
Where do you mention that?
on my prayer, my lord,
Where's your prayer for?
page number 10 and 11. Pending the present writ
So,
petition.
why have you been suspended? On what ground?
No, my lord, this is my lord,
My appointment was cancelled, my lord.
cancel, my lord.
And I have been not given any notice and any reason while I was away on my duty.
Sir, my lord, such an interim order would be
We'll
allowing of this writ petition, my lord.
We'll make it a short date, make sure that you get instructions by that time. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr. So-and-so, learned, you're the standing counsel
My lord.
for the power department. The learned standing counsel has prayed for further time to get instructions in the matter. Meanwhile, the learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for an interim order for stay of the cancellation of his appointment as unskilled casual laborer. This court find it appropriate that the prayer for an interim order may be considered in the next court date after the learned counsel for the then after the standing counsel has received necessary instructions. Yes, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, ma'am. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Oh, yes.
Item number 12.
Yes. Counter affidavit yet to be filed.
Yes, Your Lordship, at least 4 weeks' time may be needed, Your Lordship.
Mr. T. Tarak, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate, and Mr. So-and-so, learned
For the respondent number 4, ma'am.
counsel for respondent number 1. The learned counsels for the respondents have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after 4 weeks.
2 weeks list. My lord, this is since vigilance clearance is still pending in spite of so many years. So it needs some urgencies. So
No, but it's a 2025 matter,
yes.
isn't it?
Yeah, of course, it's 25 better.
It's a 2025 matter.
Obviously.
Can't say pending for a long time.
No, vigilance clearance is pending for.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
There is a corruption case pending against the petitioner, that's why.
Anyway, list after 2 weeks,
Yes.
file their counter.
Item number 13.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, the contention of the petitioners are that, my lord, the Horst jurisdiction, my lord, the Deputy Commissioner Tawang has issued a show cause notice to the petitioner and debarred the petitioner from participating in a retender process. And on the last occasion, this honorable court has directed the respondent authority to allow the petitioner to participate in a retender process. Accordingly, we have done it.
We have participated. Then,
There's a clear observation that until without the leave of the court, the tender bidding, the result will not be declared.
yes.
My lord, in this case, we are yet to
Result
receive.
not to be declared, huh?
Yes, my lord. Now, what is the latest status that we don't know until we get any instruction from the department.
Yes.
So
So-
can this matter be adjourned for the 2 weeks, my lord? After 2 weeks, we'll see, my lord.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr. Arish Nabam, learned additional government advocate general for the state respondents. The learned additional AG has prayed for further time to get instructions in the matter
My
and
lord.
file their counter affidavit.
My lord.
if so
Till
required.
then, my lord, if there's a
Both-
direction to the department to proceed with the declaration of result,
No.
otherwise it's unnecessarily pending.
That will be a little bit this thing. See, there's already order that,
If there is any
Out-
further direction, that will be the end of the matter, my lord.
anyways,
Otherwise,
if
my lord-
necessary, list after 2 weeks, then we'll see if what is the, let him find out the status first.
Otherwise,
isn't it?
issue was very simple, my lord. Whether the deputy commissioner has a jurisdiction to pass an order debarring a petitioner from participating in a tender process. That was the only issue.
Both item, my lord, 13 and 14, my lord. Same order may be passed, my lord. 13, 14.
In the next court date, let's see what
My lord,
happens. Same order.
same order.
Great.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 15.
Yeah, please, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, we need some time to file our rejoinder. Can this matter be posted after 3 weeks?
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has paid for time to file their rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the respondents. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Right.
Item number 16.
My lord,
Hmm.
I'm representing for petitioner lordships.
What is to be?
Here,
AD card
yes, yes, your lordship.
from 5 and 6 still awaited.
Still awaited, yes.
No, last date you were not there, isn't it?
Yes,
Mr.
lordship,
So-and-so?
I have some small prayer, lordships. My prayer is that lordships, earlier in the main petition, mistakenly implemented respondent number 5 lordships.
Hmm.
That's why this case is pending for long, lordships. So I may be allowed to file IA to strike out that particular respondent number 5 lordships. And I may be allowed to take service of notice upon respondent number 6 by way of dusty service, lordship.
Do you have to file an IA? Will allow the respondent number
6 lordships.
5 to be struck off, isn't it?
Yes, lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed that he may be allowed to strike off the name of respondent number 5 since it is found that he is not a necessary party in the instant writ petition. In view of the above submission, the name of respondent number 5 may be struck off. The registry to do the needful. Meanwhile, as paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, he may be allowed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6 through the ASTI mode, and affidavit to that effect is to be filed accordingly. List after
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Then full stop, then the presence of Mr. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents is noted. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obligation.
Item number 18.
May I, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, Your Lordship, pleading has been completed, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, therefore, this matter may be fixed for admission here.
An opposition to be filed by respondent number 5.
We'll rely on the affidavit filed by the government, my lord.
You are the government. You have filed.
We have not filed, but.
You are respondent number 5.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents number 5. The learned government advocate has paid for further time to file the counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks. So, Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondents number
1 to 4, Your Lordship.
1 to 4 is present and submits that they have already filed their counter affidavit. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 34 to 36.
You make it in the end in view of the above. Yes, 34 to 36. What is the stage? Affidavit in opposition.
Yes, my lord.
By the state respondents. Anyway, none appeared for the petitioners on call, while Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate, has paid for further time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, list after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
Item number 37.
May please, Your Lordship. I am the petitioner in this case. And earlier, the last week, this honorable court passed that some direction made supposed to be came today itself, the government side. And this is the third occasion that took the time.
Conducting counsel is Miss G. Your Lordship. She is lagged behind in the court 5, Your Lordship.
What? I don't understand.
She's within court 5, Your Lordship. She's conducting a case in court 5, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Court number 5, Your Lordship.
You're supposed to get instructions, isn't it?
Yes, yeah.
37. Where's item 37?
Item 37.
Okay.
Otherwise, Your Lordship, matter may be passed over for some time, Your Lordship.
This is item number 34. or
37.
Already passed, no? So 37. So what is the, let me see the order.
Yes. No.
To obtain instructions, state council.
Although, Your Lordship, other
Suffer of the petition side. So we humble pray this honorable court that if you take the time, any time, I have no issue, but at least give us some stay order regarding this impugn order to not abide in any of the any client.
Not to?
Not to abide or strictly impose upon the petitioner.
What is happening right now? Let's see the impugned order.
Yes. Annexure 6, page number 25.
So this is payment of land compensation.
Yes, that's true.
I will list it on Monday. I don't see any great urgency.
Because, my lord, this matter already third time today listed. We just pray for the stay order regarding this matter because on 28/7/2025, Annexure 8 Kohli, page number 28.
So let them get instructions regarding the stay order is also, isn't it? We'll list it on Monday.
Yes,
We'll,
Because it's
get the matter on Monday.
already, it's 2 months gone, Your Honor.
On
They took the
Monday.
only instruction.
What?
It's take the almost 2 months around. They took the time written instruction.
So
But till-
what is happening right now? Are they evicting you? Are they taking action against you? Nothing.
No, they trying to act upon us regarding the to encroach and the possess our position land to starting this compensation work.
I heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. So-and-so, learned government
Stretching road.
advocate, who submits that this matter has been taken up by Mr.
Miss G. Taylor.
Ms.
Got it.
G. Ede, learned government advocate,
Yes, additional senior government advocate.
learned additional senior advocate who is on legs in the other court. In view of the above, matter be listed on Monday, wherein the state government is to clearly inform the court of the instructions received by them in the matter. Full stop. The prayer for interim order shall also be considered in the next court date.
If possible, my lord,
Monday,
4th of Tuesday,
on Tuesday instead. Okay.
just after 1 day.
Also be considered in the next court date.
Tuesday.
Let's wait for list on
4th November.
4th November.
2025. It will-
And my lord, my humble plea is this, the stay order may be considered because it takes many of number of time. But
So,
we have to suffer
it
only.
will be considered in the
Yes.
next court date.
That's true. Yeah. Much obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 38.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, this petition is filed by challenging impugn order. Impugn order dated 7/8/25. Herein the petitioner is my lord, registered associations called Arunachal Bodybuilding Association and respondent is Arunachal Olympic Associations. The fact is that, Lordship, after completion of the 4 years tenure, petitioner outgoing president has issues one notification.
Who's for the respondents? Who's appearing?
Yeah.
My lord, if I may.
Online. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, if I may.
Yes.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of all the respondents, my lord.
Okay.
May I submit,
My lord,
I
my
have
lord,
a
I have a small
prayer,
prayer,
my
my
lord.
lord. I have a small prayer, my lord, if it can be considered. My lord, we are seeking a short time until 6th of November, next week, to file our reply, my lord, for all the respondents, my lord.
But the interim prayer, there's an interim prayer. What is the nature of the interim prayer?
My lord,
That is why-
the impugn order, they have restrained us to carry out any kind of activities. Since Arunachal Olympic Association is nowhere connected with the Arunachal Bodybuilding Association, which is a petitioner, my lord.
Okay, so you're the bodybuilding association.
Yes, my lord.
And what are you supposed to do?
My lord, since after elections, we have a selected president, general secretary, and some other process. So here in the case, one of the candidate who was contest as one of the aspirant candidate of general secretary, she was launched complaint before the Arunachal Olympic Associations, alleging that we have not conducted fair elections, fair elections.
Okay, in
So
the,
thereafter they have passed
general
interim
body
order.
meeting.
Yes, my lord. So in fact, my lord, as per bylaws of the Arunachal Bodybuilding Association as well as bylaws of the Arunachal Olympic Association, there is no connection in regards to selection of the candidates, members of the association, my lord.
What does the Olympic have to do with this?
My lord, Olympic Association, they have nothing to do with the internal arrangement, internal selection and election of the members of the Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations. So they are separate entity, my lord. They have separate registered association. We have a separate registered association, my lord. So, my lord, because of their interim,
What have you, why have you this thing, make them a party then?
my lord, because they have a past interim order, my lord. Our declaration of result was being suspended.
See, if you're going to take part in some Olympic, event, then the Olympic Association will have some stake.
Yes, my lord.
But this is your own.
Yes, our own internal arrangement of the executive members of the associations. So based on the complaint being made by one of the candidates, they have passed impugn order, my lord. So our activity has completely respect.
Bodybuilding association, you can be affiliated to the national.
Yes, my lord, we have affiliated with the Northeast Northeast Bodybuilding Association. We are affiliated with the Northeastern Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. We are not affiliated with the Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. Arunachal Olympic Association, my lord. So, my lord, because of their impugn order, we are completely restrained to participate in any event, my lord. Since we are going to
Event
conduct.
organized by the Olympic Association.
No, my lord,
that-
Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations.
So no, bodybuilding, you can do whatever, it appears that your association
Yes, my lord.
will do what is required to do.
Yes, my lord, yes.
But if you're going to participate in the Olympic event, then
Yes.
the Olympic Association can bar you because they don't accept.
Yes, my lord, that is another aspect, my lord. So here in the case is not that way, my lord. They are just,
Anyways, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondents appearing through VC. The learned counsel for the respondents has prayed for further time to get necessary instructions. And then Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, has prayed for an interim order staying the operation of the impugned order dated
7/8/25, my lord. 7/8/25.
2025. Where is that?
Page number 20, my lord. Start from page number 20, my lord. In my petition, annexure 2, my lord. Page number 21 is the operative portion, my lord.
My lord, I had an objection regarding the interim prayer, my lord.
Hmm.
I had an objection, my lord.
Later. Uh,
May I read out, my lord, lordship?
Yes, yes.
Operative portion, the page number 21, my lord. Let's just, my lord, down below, my lord, all the concerned parties are hereby requested to extend their full cooperation and ensure that the election process carried out in a fair and transparent manner under the supervision of the above committee and in strict compliance with the guidelines of the IIBF and government norms and rules. Note, till recognized state body of ABBA means, my lord, Arunachal Bodybuilding Associations is come up. No parties will carry out any activities in name of ABBA. However, the ad hoc committee will take care of the participation at least in any tournaments. My lord, herein they have their own will, they have a appointed ad hoc committee, but ad hoc committee is nowhere they are carry out any kind of activity on behalf of the ABBA, my lord, Arunachal Bodybuilding Association. So we are completely depriving, my lord.
But they are with the National Sports Federation,
Yes, my lord.
Indian Bodybuilders Federation. So who is affiliated to this Indian Bodybuilding Association?
We are affiliated with the Northeast Bodybuilding Association, my lord. Even Northeast Bodybuilding Association has clarified that Bodybuilding Association nowhere connected with the Olympic Association, my lord. So they have also given a letter to us, my lord.
Anyways, has prayed for stay of the operation of the impugned order dated
7/8/25, my lord.
7/8/2025, which is strongly objected by the learned counsel for the respondents. This court, however, concerning the nature of the instant case wherein it is submitted that the respondents are nowhere authorized to pass the said impugned order dated 07/08/2025, find it appropriate at this stage to stay the operation of the impugned order 07/08/2025 till the next date of this.
My lord.
Accordingly,
My
list
lord.
on.
My lord, I have a small prayer if it can be considered. My submission, if it can be heard, my lord. A small submission. I have only 2 points to submit, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, firstly, my lord, this writ petition itself is not maintainable. That is why I was praying that on the 6th, this
Okay,
interim order.
maintainability. Why
Yes,
the
yes.
maintainability on what ground?
Firstly, my lord, we are two private societies, my lord. As admitted by them, they are also a registered society. I am also a private registered society, my lord. We do not come under the definition of a state, my lord.
This is just a
For
short
exercise
date.
of
We will not allow the interim order, okay? Mr. So because a short date, okay?
6 November.
Till returnable that lordship, till returnable that, my lord.
See, just, it's next week only, it doesn't make any
6
sense
November,
then.
yes.
Because what are you going to do then? What are, what
Lordship,
action are you going to do?
because they are going to file reply, so till filing of their reply, my lord.
No, till the next week only. No,
6
no,
November, yes.
it will be definitely decided and disposed of by the next court date. Okay?
My lord, till returnable that, my lord,
Has prayed for stay of the so-and-so, okay, which is strongly objected by the learned counsel for the respondent, who submits that the maintainability of the instant writ petition is also questionable, and therefore prayed that
lordship,
this matter may be listed on next week.
6 November, 6 November, my lord.
On 6th,
November.
on 6/11/2024. In view of the above submissions, list the matter again on 6/11/2025, wherein the interim order prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner will be decided. Yes.
Okay.
Will be heard and decided. Yes.
Much
obliged.
Item number 39.
May I please, my lord? My lord, here in this case also, we have to file our rejoinder. So
Okay,
it may be posted after 3 weeks.
Appearing on behalf of
Petitioner.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, has prayed for further time to file the rejoinder affidavit. In view of the above, list after
3 weeks.
After 3 weeks.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Okay.
Item number 41.
My lord, I'm praying for 3 weeks for filing rejoinder.
See, these matters have been listed for hearing. Yes. And then you're praying for time to file your rejoinder.
My lord, previously I have prayed for filing rejoinder on previous occasion.
See, if the matter has been fixed for hearing, then it's presumed that the pleadings are complete. Not complete yet.
Yes, my lord, rejoinder still have to file.
Why has it been listed for hearing? Anyway, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has yet to file his rejoinder in the instant case. In view of the above, it appears that pleadings are not completed. Pleadings are not complete. The matter is to be listed in admission column and be listed after 2 weeks for the counsel for the respondent to file their rejoinder affidavit. Yes.
I noticed.